What's going on, everyone? Vince here with Life with Vince Luu, and today I want to share with you all an old jiu-jitsu clip of me rolling with a black belt. He lets me work a little bit, but he can pretty much kill me at any time, and he takes it a little bit easy on me, and here is the clip.
And I love like toy andros and stuff.
So like I said, it's not wrong to do either way. Like, it just kind of depends. Like, you know what I mean? But practice both, because if one's not working, you do the other. Okay. And then you really practice that. You messed it up. You messed it up. I might have to do like here, like I might have to switch here, and like if you start to push my knee with this hand, I might have to go back this way, right? And then like say like you get this framing on my neck, right? And like I still can't do it, so I might have to do the knee, and then you push my knee again on that side. I might have to do this. I might have to come back this way, just play with it. And then when they turn towards me, you can like come back. Right? But like you just keep like switching the angles, like making them switch sides, so eventually you'll.
And the key is to so I don't lose my frame, is to have my knee close to your hip at one point.
Yeah, so the thing was here, right? I'm here. When I switch, this knee needs to come here. Okay. Yeah. So you'll see people, they'll do this, and then you underhook my leg with your arm, and now you face this way. So now, don't worry about it. So now you have to be tapping. So now you have to be tapped, and now I'm in a back position. So when you do it, now they can't get over it.
Why are you going towards you?
Yeah, that gonna work.
I swear it usually works.
That ain't gonna work. What is he showing you?
No, so you need that with your leg. Yeah, so you step out, boom, the underhook, tap your foot, right? And not working. Ooh, get. Yeah.
This is trying to go like That's not 30%.
It was a liar. This works better in between.
Yeah.
I know. Actually, start from the kneecap and then real quick, so get your knees.